Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study and take notes effectively. We'll dive into powerful techniques that can transform your learning experience. First, active recall is key. Instead of just rereading, quiz yourself often. This method forces your brain to retrieve information, making it stick much better. Next, spaced repetition involves reviewing material at increasing intervals, which is far more efficient than cramming. Let's get started. Now let's talk about taking notes that actually help you learn. The Cornell method is fantastic. Divide your page into 3 sections for main notes, cues, and a summary. This structure encourages active processing. Another great technique is mind mapping, which uses visual connections to link concepts. This can be especially helpful for complex topics. Whether digital or handwritten, effective notes are a powerful study aid. Beyond just reading, active learning is crucial for deep understanding. Try teaching the material to someone else. Explaining concepts aloud exposes any weaknesses in your knowledge. Regularly working through practice problems and past exams is also vital. This not only tests your understanding, but also familiarizes you with question formats. Finally, ask why constantly to connect new information with what you already know, building a stronger mental framework. Creating the right study environment is just as important as the methods you use. Find a quiet, dedicated space where you can minimize distractions like your phone or social media. Short, regular breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, can significantly boost your focus and prevent mental fatigue. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. A well-organized space and mind are your best assets for successful learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.